7 ways to get rid of bad smells in your home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. There are times when an offensive smell does not seem to go away, no matter how often you clean and mop the home. Such bad odors can be unbearable and embarrassing, especially when it is difficult to identify the source and get rid of the smell. You do not have to worry much, as we can help you with solutions to help you to stay comfortably in your home. Cleaning and mopping regularly may not readily remove a specific offensive smell, and we are going to share tips that will help you determine the source. You will end up getting rid of any lasting smell that may be causing havoc in your home. Following these tips and enjoys the atmosphere at your home. Number 1. Get rid of the smell from your refrigerator. One of the sources of offensive odors that stick around even after thoroughly cleaning your home is that of a freshly cooked meal or leftovers. Storing them in the refrigerator may not get rid of the smell, for they may stay in the fridge even after you have got rid of the meals packaged inside. When you open your fridge, these smells can fill the kitchen, which can be embarrassing. You can get rid of the smell from your fridge or freezer by storing an open box of baking soda in the refrigerator, double wrapping food with a pungent odor, and covering food with a strong smell or leftovers on a container with tight lids. These will ultimately keep the smell from filling up the fridge and freezer. Number 2. Cleaning up your trash container. Steadily taking out the trash may not eliminate an offensive smell if you do not clean up the trash container. Unfortunately, most people do not clean their trash can, and this can fill the home with an awful smell due to a buildup of bacteria. To get rid of these smells from your trash can, wash and clean it using baking soda, deodorizing pod, and disinfectant to eliminate the odor and bacteria buildup. It would be best to clean the trash can regularly to avoid offensive smells in your home. Number 3. Clean your microwave. People do not often clean up their microwaves, and even when they do not do it properly. Let's not forget that different kinds of food pass through the microwave, such as soup, meats, leftovers, pizzas and others. Combining these other types of meals will leave an offensive smell if the microwave is not always adequately cleaned. It's recommended to boil a quarter of water along with a lemon slice. Then wipe the microwave properly and ensure that every piece of leftover inside is wiped clean. Leave the microwave open for the air inflow to remove any form of odor remaining. Now your microwave will be fresh and left with no odor. Do this often, and you will eliminate any form of the smell emanating from the microwave in your home. Number 4. Get rid of food items on your cutting board. Getting rid of stuff that sticks on your cutting board may not necessarily get rid of the smell, and this can take over the room. For example, garlic and onions always get stuck on the cutting board and, over time, may leave an offensive smell in the home. To get rid of this smell after using these tools for a while, you should dip the plastic cutting board and dishwater to get rid of these lasting smells. While for a wooden cutting board, use a mixture of a half lemon dipped in water and scrub the wooden board thoroughly to get rid of the smell. Number 5. Get rid of sweat from dirty clothes. Keeping your laundry undone for a long time can leave a foul smell in the home. Also, work clothes may constitute a bad smell even after washing them in the washing machine. When washing clothes to get rid of the sweat, use Arm & Hammer washing soda to help remove any foul odor from sweat that may stick around on the washing machine and avoid the terrible smell built up in your room. Number 6. Get rid of that pet smell. You will need to actively take care of your pet, not only to prevent diseases, but to prevent them from emanating foul smells in your home. Furthermore, your pets can leave stains on your carpets, rugs and furniture, which will engulf your home and leave an offensive stench. While regular bathing of the pet may not be enough to get rid of the smell, especially those they have left on your carpets or furniture. To get rid of these smells, you should use natural remedies such as baking soda to get rid of this smell. Sprinkle the baking soda on the parts affected and scrub to get rid of the smell. Number 7. Get rid of the carpet smell. If you have carpets, you will find that it proves more challenging to maintain, unlike wooden or tile floors. Carpet absorbs smell, liquid and dust that may leave a particular smell in your home. Regularly using a vacuum cleaner will not completely eliminate this smell, as you may have noticed. A simple remedy to get rid of the smell involves sprinkling baking soda on the carpet and letting the baking soda settle for a while before using your vacuum. Now you can breathe fresh air by getting rid of the smell from your carpet or rug.